Hey guys, Gunwild here. The Daily Shooter has issued a challenge. He's calling it the Ammo Challenge. What he wants you to do is get an AR magazine, 10 rounds of ammo, and a way to time yourself. I got a stopwatch on my cell phone here, so I'll use that. He wants you to see how fast you can load 10 rounds into your magazine. And I believe the reason he chose 10 rounds instead of 30 is he lives in the same communist state as I do, and we're limited to 10 rounds. So, and the only rules are you have to load it by hands. No stripper clip, no speed loaders. So, let's see how fast I can do it. This Daily Shooter did it in 14 seconds. And well, I'm a bit of a butterfinger, so it may take longer. So let's find out. "15 seconds, almost 16, 15:98. Not bad. Alright guys, if you're interested in trying out this challenge, I'll put the link to his challenge video down below in the description. Go over there, check it out, see if you want to get involved. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Goodbye.